So I might do that. I might do like live streams every so often, like whenever I get free time. Hey, Freddy Fur 777.
You
Hey, I said four. That means watch out.
4 means you 4 means watch out in golf. You footballed me. You should have said hike.
Shut up.
Hey, how's this? Hike and four.
Did someone?
Oh! Wait.
Holy catnip, Ben! Holy catnip, Ben! You're a genius!
Really?
Psych!
You're a genius! I love eating toenails.
Oh, you nasty ass bastard! Wait, why am I a genius?
Tour.
Here, two,
Tackle him!
four. Hike. I think I've invented a new game.
And we'll call it food.
Oh my God!
Let's play
Football.
World Cup. 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 World Cup.
And golf. It's perfect!
Disagree.
Before we play the game, we must focus on and perfect the most important part. Image.
Ta-da!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Shut the fuck up! Hey, you know what I'm thinking? Another sport!
It's back!
And I say,
Hey! I've taken gymnastics. That's it. Perfectist. We'll call it full gymnastics.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking?
no.
Even more sports?
Oh, hi!
Go him!
Stupid
It's a beautiful sunny day today, and I'm really having a good time.
Don't worry about me!
Really?
I'm totally fine! I'll just be malting over here! Alone! Under the bleachers!